Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to eat a cupcake properly. This will be an easy life hack tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, we have a simple cupcake, and most of the time how you're going to eat a cupcake is like this. You're going to peel off the wrapping, okay, and you're just going to go ahead and you're going to eat it. Now some cupcakes are a lot larger than this. So when you eat the cake or the cupcake, whatever you want to call it, you're just going to take a bite out of it. But there's a better way to do this, because if your cupcake is larger, like with this one, I can probably bite all of the ingredients at once. But with a larger cupcake, you're only going to get the bottom and you're only going to get the top on some bites. So what you can do is really, really easy. All you got to do is manipulate the positioning of the icing and the base of the cupcake. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this knife. I'm going to cut the base in half. Just like this, okay? So I've cut the base in half, okay? Check this out. Now that I've cut the base in half, I'm gonna flip this upright. Once again, the way that it was before, I'm gonna take the base that I cut off, put it on the top, and what do you have here? You have a cupcake sandwich. So literally, I can take the cupcake, I can eat it like this, and each bite I'm going to get a perfect balance of the frosting and the actual base of the cupcake. Let's take a taste right now. Let's take a taste. What part felt? My goodness, that is absolutely delicious. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you, this is a very useful life hack, but one of the main reasons that I wanted to make this video was to have an excuse to eat this cupcake. So if you have an appreciation for this little trick right here, check this out. Absolutely beautiful, really, really easy to eat. I think it's a lot easier to hold, in my opinion, because I'm not really getting any frosting on my hands. I'm just getting the base of the cupcake. And that's basically it. It's a simple life hack. Once I learned how to do this, I always eat my cupcakes like this. They are absolutely delicious. The perfect way to eat them, in my opinion. The proper way to eat them, in my opinion. And that's basically it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.